Vroom, 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 vroom. See, dude. We'll see you. Wee. Crap. Gotta back up a little bit.
You're leaving? Where are you going?
Sir, do you know how fast you were going? Yeah. How fast? 91. Yes. Why were you going that fast? Because I have to go to my monster trucks show and I'm late. Oh, we can make a deal. If you will give me tickets, I'll let you go for free. Okay, I have 2 tickets left, so yeah. Okay, thanks. No. This is the only one. Sorry. Never mind, I only have one. Okay, see you. I think I want to invite my freaking daughter, but have a good day, sir. Oh shoot, my friend's late. I picked the good one. Wee. I gotta wake up again. Gotta get up my car. I got the suspect on the highway. Do you know how fast you were going? No. You were going 96. Oh, crap. Alright. How much is the ticket? I'll make a deal. If you give me 1 ticket, or 2, or 1, I'll let you go for free. And I'll let you... Do we have to bring our cars inside? Yes. Okay. Well, I'll let you go for free if you give me tickets. A lot of tickets. No, just 1. 1. Okay, here. Thank you. Alright, have a great day, sir. Gotta go back. Oh, what took you so long to get pulled over? Me too, bro. God dang, man. I'm gonna go see my daddy for it. Where's my dad? Oh, shit. No. Hey, Dad, where's the tickets right here? Here, let her in. Okay. Let's go. Alright, boys, are you guys ready? Yes, you guys are. Alright, are you guys ready to rumble? Woo! Okay, the show is going to be started off with some of the cars we got from the crowd that don't work anymore. So, if you guys go give us a second. And it's only 1 today. So, let's get this start rumbling. Oh, shoot, I missed. Sorry about that. Alright, go back. Whoa, you guys are not even hitting the car. No, let's start with the green one. Alright, the American one. The leader's board.
I did, but...
Alright, y'all gotta go in last. Man, I want to be the last night. No, all of y'all last. Except the American one, the fire one, and the Ninjago one. And now it's time to try to squish the other monster trucks. Oh no, I hate this part of my day. The three top ones get to go. Only them. Because they are the best. Because I trained them hard. They're the only one that trained and they never missed a day. So all y'all get in line. Ready, set, neon, go, go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Martin. Oh, yeah. Now, it's the American one. Yeah, for the Golden Eagle. No, not my truck, not my truck. God, we need to check his repairs to get these. Now, Mark 2. That's how you guys do it, okay? Okay, boss. Whatever time is that one? I know. I taught it yesterday. No, I meant to teach it yesterday, but I forgot, so... Yeah. Oh, we're gonna have a party tonight. Only all these 3 cars. And you guys each get to pick one car. One does not get to be lucky. I picked this one. Okay, let's go. Come on, brother. No, you got hit. Brother, you gotta man up, man. Let me get out my monster truck. No, it's not safe. Remember what the boss said? Oh, shoot. Alright. Go get one, boy. Come on, bro. I told you to pick the American one. I didn't find no American one. I told you to buy one on eBay, bro. You did not. So listen. Sorry, man. This guy bothers him. Look at picture. Alright. I hate you. You beat me up. You lucky. We're in the gym, boy. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a betcha. Buy it so. Oh, come on, brother.
I'm taking it easy. AB. Like, anime, baby. Yes.
What's up, brother? I get to pick too. I'm the team captain. Especially I get to pick. Except that bozo. What's up, big bro? That's why I told you to go. That's why I told you to go practice more. Because you'll never get to my level, big bro. Oh man, I should have practiced more, man. Yeah, little bro beats big bro. What's up, big bro? What's up, man? I've been trying to practice instead of that bozo. He's just over there, like, nothing, like, bruh. I know, like, Superman. Like, I'm Superman, bro. Alright, come on, brother. You know what? All the monster trucks gonna come. Oh, yeah. Yeah, all you all too. Come on, crowd. Let's all have a big party. Party. Hey, this is actually my collection of cars. This one's gonna be my dad's, the Superman. You got it. And yeah, these are all my cars. I got them all from a yard sale for $15 for all of them. All for all these the total cost was $15. And I'm like, okay, this one, except this one was $5 at Dollar Tree. This one's the best one I got. So like, and look, I got this jacket. And my gloves, I got gloves. I got my gloves that are school. So yeah. I got my gun. The clip comes off.
You're the sweet one. Man, just say that lipstick absolutely makes your eyes pop.
See, ready? You press right here.
I know.
And you
I can't help it. It just comes out. But I'm
see.
working on this problem.
Ready?
I promise you. I'm so sorry. I never expected the mother to just show up.
Daddy, seeing her was... I just ruined my business. I cannot be walking on eggshells when I handle my own life.
Alright.
I promise you.
Hold on, guys. See, look, the clip's not on no more. And this is the clip. Okay, ready?
I like that.
See? There we go. Yeah, there's the clip. So, guys, I hope you guys like, subscribe, hit on notifications. See you next video. I might give them out. So, see you guys. No, the car might want to do it. The police car. Oh, dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.